Mm. 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 Come on, ShyLo, get some more milk, baby. Get some more milk. Get some more milk, ShyLo. Get some more milk, baby. ShyLo, get some more milk. Come on. Pay attention. Pay attention, honey. Get some more milk. He just drank some milk. But then by the time I got the phone, he quit suckling. No, come on. No. Get some more milk. Come on. Get some more milk. Well, pay attention. Come on, pay attention. Pay attention, baby. But he did already get some milk. But they're really going at it, Tango and Myra. Tango trying to get freebies. Trying to get freebies. Honey, you're 10 weeks old now. Going on 11. Tango. Tango. See, like, she won't let him do that long. Because she knows that he's old enough now, he don't need no more damn milk. Don't you, Goaty? Don't you, Goaty? You already know that, don't you? Yeah, I know my damn son don't need no more damn milk. He's just trying to get freebies. Look, he's trying to go at it again. He's trying to go at it again, Tango. You gonna be a little pansy boy, Tango?
Williams and the 9th Cavalry are ordered to New Mexico territory.
U.S. and Mexican officials want to see the Apaches crushed.
August 16, 1881. It would prove to be a pivotal day in Williams' life and career.
Like he's sleeping and suckling at the same time.
Officer was
ShyLo.
George Burnett, a recent West
You
Point
little
graduate
goober butt.
without much field experience.
So you really have him looking
See his little mouth going?
Williams for support and leadership.
Sleeping and suckling at the same damn time.
Forecast. Well, a cold front is currently working its way through the Ozarks. That'll give us a wind shift. Northwest winds could be 10.